Hi everyone, welcome back to mine, Tami's and of course Luna's van conversion. In this video you'll see us lay the floor, as you can see. You'll see us glue down the wood battens, the supports. We've cut channels for the electrical cable which we will glue down with a glue gun. I'll explain the types of cables later in the video. We'll then lay insulation. We'll seal it in with aluminium foil tape and then screw down with self-tapping screws the 12mm plywood. So the bits of masking tape that you can still see, we've obviously translated that. They're the support beams, the wood beams, so we've translated that to the top so we knew where to screw, and obviously helps us when we come to build stuff like walls and stuff like that. Then yeah, it just tells us where we can screw down into. So enjoy the video, or should I say enjoy the time lapse. So here we are, this is the battens glued down, insulation cut, and I thought I'd just quickly explain these wires. Our electrics are going here. One of these wires is a split charge volt sense and relay kit that we've got. One's 12 volt 1.5mm squared for the fridge, and the other one, the blue one, is for our 240 volt plug socket. So I thought we'd just stop because we're now sealing all these in with sticky expanding foam. So towards the rear of the van, this is the electrics here, coming up to the bed. We've fed two wires, another 240 volt blue, optic blue, that's for our plug socket by our dining area, and another 12 volt one that is going to go towards the fan for the toilet that we're going to get.